In this video, I'm going to show you how to dropship with a coupon code. So what I mean by a coupon code, suppliers will give us a dedicated coupon code for Marketing Global Stores customers only. And what this will do is most times will give us 50% off, sometimes more, plus free shipping. So what you want to do is, let's say you've just got an order from a customer. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the supplier. So for an example, let's say we're looking at Bozo Lures. They've been a great supplier of us for a long time. Let's say if I do, I don't know, I've sold 100 of these products. Okay, these offshore products, and it's at $9,999. We're going to go to view cart. Once we view cart, there's going to be an area just before you pay and put all your information in, is that you want to come in here and enter the promo code or the coupon code. If I put in drop shipping and press apply, what we're going to see now is we've got a discount on here of 50%. So as you can see here that it was $9,999 for all 101 products when I was buying at $99. But as you can see here that the promo code has gave me 50% off. And as you can see here now, it's only $4,999. So I made a 50% markup, plus they're going to ship the product 100% free for me. So what you want to do here again is put your customer's details in here. Okay, so what you would do is put in, bob@gmail.com, Bob's first name, Bob's last name. So this is just from your order, his address. Okay, so let's say it was 340 Scottsdale Drive. Okay, all the information goes in there. Delivery methods, we press continue. Free shipping, great, 2 to 6 business days, perfect. And then what we do then is we check out from here. So again, we pay with debit card, credit card, or PayPal. So in your startup videos, or up above on the course, you'll see something called download our dropship suppliers and view coupon codes. So this is a way for a supplier to allow us to dropship their products from the website and then just use a simple coupon code to get 50% off. So instead of paying $9,999 like we're going to, we're literally going to pay 50% less, and they're going to send our products out for free, and they're going to deliver it in 2 to 6 business days for us. So again, we get 50% off. Don't hold the stock. Don't go to the post office. Don't do nothing. We're just making money from the sale, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So that's how you dropship with a coupon code. Again, you add the coupon code in, you put the customer's details in, and you make the payment and send it, and then the supplier will directly send it to your customer. The coupon code will always be next to the supplier's name when you're downloading our dropship suppliers list. Okay, guys, very basic, very quick video on how to dropship with a coupon code. Thank you.